Hey, Ball. Yes, Slinky. What? What does this gumball machine give us? We're gonna be only wait to find out. Okay. Oh, look, a gumball. I just want to eat it. And it's just at this moment that Slinky knew he messed up. Ball, I should warn you, this gumball causes explosions when you eat it. What are you talking about? It's a normal gumball. It tastes better. Can you please stop eating that gum? No, Slinky. You cannot eat that. Try some. And it was at this moment that Slinky knew he messed up again. I should have see, I warn you. Well, that gumball was tasty. That was easy. Please, you guys, you gotta like and subscribe, or this gumball machine will disappear in 2 seconds. And have a nice day.